Welcome to my yoga. My name is Nicole, and this is your shoulder mobility practice. For our practice, we're going to start in a comfortable seated position, any position you choose. Just taking a moment to find a tall spine. Let the shoulders slide back and down, little tuck to the chin, gently closing your eyes. Just taking a few breaths here, just allowing yourself to settle and center in this moment. Just begin to draw your inhales deeper and deeper into your lungs. Using every breath in to allow your rib cage to open and expand. And see if you can allow those inhales to broaden the collarbones. Open and expand both the front and back of your heart. Filling up and emptying out completely now with the breath. And gently open the eyes on your next breath in. And as you inhale, we're going to reach the arms up overhead, gaze following the hands. As you exhale, bring the palms of your hands to prayer at your heart center. Bring the thumbs to rest against the sternum. The forearms come parallel to the earth. Push the hands together. Feel how that broadens and opens the chest. Take a big breath in, lifting up through the heart. Let the shoulders slide back and down. Take one more breath. And then we're going to inhale, arms reach up. As you exhale, floating down beside you, palms facing the earth. Now take a breath in now. We're going to place the palms and the hands onto the shoulders. As you inhale, bring the arms out shoulder height. And then starting to come into circles. So we're going to circle forward here with the elbows, making nice big circles if that's available to you. Moving with the breath. As you inhale, coming up. Exhale down. Taking two more here. Good big breath in. Exhale, and then moving in opposite direction. Inhale, up and back. Exhale, down and forward. Just follow the motion, the fluidity of your breath. And take one last one here. Inhale. As you exhale, come to center, and we're going to release the hands. We're going to make our way onto all fours, coming into tabletop. Transitioning ourselves onto all fours. So we're going to start with the hips right on top of the knees, the shoulders right on top of the wrists, and then transitioning down onto your forearms. So stack the elbows underneath the shoulders. Forearms are parallel to each other, palms of the hands pressing into the earth. So as you inhale, like a cat-cow movement, draw your shoulders back. Bring the gaze and the tail up. Exhale, belly pulls in round the upper back, chin to chest. Inhale, look up, shoulders back. Exhale to round. And just listen to your body here. Just find that movement that works best for you. No forcing. And staying connected with inhales and exhales. And one last deep breath in here. As you exhale, come back to neutral. You're going to inhale, make your way back up onto the hands. Then as you exhale, rooting down through right hand. Take a breath in. Reach that left hand up towards the sky, and then as you exhale, we're going to thread that left arm through to hover, belly in and to the right. Inhale, arm reaches up, follow the hand with the gaze. Exhale, thread to hover. And do that one more time. Take a big breath in, reach and open. Exhale, thread through. This time, left shoulder, left ear comes down onto the earth. Option to walk that right hand out, maybe over towards that left side. If this is too much, release the forearm down onto the earth. Feel the shoulders pulling back, belly pulling in. Take one more breath. Exhale, right hand under right shoulder. Inhale, slowly rise up. Exhale, planting left hand onto the earth. Breathe in, right arm reaches, gaze follows the hand. Exhale, thread to hover, belly in and to the left. Inhale, open up, breathe in between the shoulder blades. Exhale, thread to hover. Last time, inhale. Exhale, thread through, right shoulder, right ear to the earth. Option to walk that left hand forward and towards the right. Otherwise, just resting the forearm onto the earth. Feel that compression in the right side. Use the breath to open in between your shoulder blades. Belly pulls in as you exhale. Inhale here. Exhale, left hand under left shoulder. Breathe in, slowly rise back up to your tabletop. As you exhale, now curling the toes under, transitioning up and back to downward facing dog. Push the floor away from you with the hands. You're rooting down through pointer finger, knuckle, and thumb knuckle. Feel the hips lifting up and back as you breathe in, just allowing the heels to release to the earth as you breathe out. Inhale. Inhale now, come forward to your high plank, shoulders over wrists, neck is long. Exhale, push back to your downward facing dog, slow and controlled. Breathe in, come forward. Exhale, push back. Let those heels sink as you breathe out. One more time, inhale forward. Exhale back. Take a deep breath in here. And then as you exhale, release the knees down onto the earth. We're going to walk the knees a little bit wider than the hips, big toes to touch, hips to the heels into child's pose. Bring the forehead down onto the earth, and then just let the arms come down beside you, palms facing the sky, tops of the hands on the floor, allowing the shoulders just to relax and soften for a couple breaths. Deep inhale. Empty out completely as you exhale. Now as you breathe in, palms of the hands back down onto the earth, rise up to your tabletop. Shoulders over wrists, hips over knees. As you exhale, we're going to bring our forearms back down onto the earth, but this time we're going to clasp our hands, so not interlacing, clasping one hand in the other. Push your entire forearm into the floor, the pinky fingers into the earth. Abdominal strong, curl the toes under, lift your hips up and back, making your way into dolphin. So as you're here, push your forearms into the earth to lengthen the spine, shoulders back and down. Feel free to step the feet in if that feels comfortable. No holding in the heels, let them sink down. Take one more breath. Now as you inhale, gaze comes up, slowly shifting forward. Listen to your body here. Exhale to push back, slow and controlled. Inhale forward. Neck stays long, exhale back. Let's do that one more time. Breathe in. Push back as you exhale, and inhale here. And as you exhale, release your knees down onto the earth. Separate them. You're back into child's pose this time. Keep the arms extended out in front of you. Palms of the hands come to prayer. Release the forehead down, then bend the elbows. So you'll start to feel this in between the shoulder blades, in the triceps, armpits. If you'd like a little bit more, walk the elbows forward. That will give you more stretch. Take one more breath in. As you exhale, palms of the hands come down onto the earth. Inhale, slowly rise back up. And we're going to transition ourselves back to seated as you exhale. Take your time. Find that position that's comfortable for you. Now, as you inhale, we're going to reach our arms up. We're coming into eagle arms. Bring the palms of the hands to touch out in front of the body. Then as you exhale, we're going to take our right arm, sweep it under the left. So option one is to hook the elbows, hook the hands. If this is not available, palms of the hands together, pushing the elbows together. Take a deep breath in, elbows in line with shoulders, hands away from the face. Tall spine, shoulders back and down. Starting to draw circles with your elbows, just moving in one direction. Your choice how big those circles are. Breathe into it. Engage your abdominals, keep the upper body stable. Last breath here. Good, unwrap your arms. Inhale, reach them back out. Palms of the hands touch as you exhale. Opposite side. Left comes underneath the right. Hook the elbows, hook the hands, or palms and elbows together. Lengthen. Shoulders draw back and down. Take a deep breath here. And starting to circle the arms in one direction. It doesn't matter how big those circles are, listen to your body here. Good, one more breath. And unwrap, reach up. Bring the palms of your hands to prayer at heart center. Push the hands together. Feel the chest lifting, heart opening. As you exhale, hands release back down. You're going to inhale back into those eagle arms, opposite side. As you exhale, right arm comes underneath left. Hook the elbows, hook the hands, lengthen, lift. And we're going to start to make those circles now in the opposite direction. 2 more breaths here. Good, last one. And release the arms. Breathe in, bring them out in front of the body. Exhaling now, left underneath the right. Hook elbows, hook hands, lengthen, find that tall spine. We're circling now in the opposite direction. So use your breath here. Good, last one. As you exhale, release, sweep the arms up, look up. Bring the palms of your hands to prayer at heart center as you exhale. Push the hands together, lengthen, lift the heart. Feel the shoulders sliding back and down. Take one more breath. Close the eyes, bow the head. Expressing gratitude for your practice. Gratitude for your body. Gratitude for this and every moment. Namaste.